Hello, Vinai from Excel Champ. Today I will show you how you can use conditional formatting in Excel to quickly find some insights, and you don't have to write any formulas at all. Most of the time we can just do all these amazing things just by using the mouse. For example, these are the sales rep that we have here, and I would like to find out who are the top 3 in terms of sales. So it's very easy. We can just highlight the data, and on the home ribbon you can see conditional formatting, and we can find who are the top 3. Now we don't need 10, maybe we just type 3, and you can change the color to green. So now the top 3 are highlighted, and the good thing is when the numbers will change, for example, if Laura does 9,000, you'll notice that now she is one of the top 3 and others are not. So this is live. Conditional formatting changes immediately when the data changes. Let's look at another example. Here you can find the bottom 3. By doing this, we can go to top and bottom rules and choose bottom, and you can pick as many items as you want. So these are the worst 3 targets, the lowest targets we have ever given, and again this is also live. So using this you can use top and bottom highlighting in a live session. Next I'll show you how you can find the numbers higher than or lower than a particular number. So we can highlight cells greater than, and you can specify any number, for example greater than 6,500. So there's only one number which is greater than 6,500, and once you click OK you will see that difference. However, if we change this to 7,200, it will automatically turn red. Any number that is above 6,500 will be this. Now if you notice, exactly 6,500 is not covered here. For example, if I type 6,500, it's not highlighted. If you want even 6,500, then we can modify our conditional formatting. For example, going to manage rules, and here's the rule. It only says greater than. So you can edit the rule and change it to greater than or equal to. Once you do that and click OK, even the 6,500 will get applied. So you can apply higher than, greater than, less than, between, etc. all of these values from here. It can also help you to highlight any duplicates. So for example, if I am looking for any duplicates in this data, I can simply come to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and choose duplicate values. Immediately the duplicates are highlighted, and we can see the 6,500 is repeated and 3,500 is also repeated. So these are great ways for you to quickly find the insight and highlight based on the right thing. The third visualization technique I will show you is to select this data and find out which are the bigger numbers and which are the smaller numbers. Rather than comparing them visually with my own eyes, I can simply go to conditional formatting and apply data bars. So once you apply data bars and you can pick any color, the bigger numbers are, you can see the bar is bigger and the smaller numbers are smaller. So as the numbers change, for example, if this changes to 2000, then the amount, the bar is very small, and the bigger numbers will have the highest bars. You can anytime change the color or change the formatting simply by going and applying a different color of your choice. So here we have a different color formatting, and you can choose how you'd like to display your data. We can also do amazing things. For example, this is the sales amount and this was the target given to the salesperson. So if let's say we find out the difference, so we can find out who did more sales and who did less sales. We can simply write a formula: sales minus target, and you can see that Bond has done $700 less sales. We can copy down the formula, and now you can visually see who has done more and who has done less. The people who have done less than the target are all negative numbers. You can also apply conditional formatting here and it will look fantastic. We just have to make sure that we select all the data, conditional formatting, data bars, and you'll get color scales. So the lowest number is in red, the highest number is in green. You can also apply data bar and you'll get an amazing data bar because we have positive and negative numbers both. So when you apply this kind of formatting technique, you can easily see that how much is the shortfall or how big is the increase. So this is amazing, and you don't even have to write a lot of formulas for this. We have just done a simple difference formula here which is visible. So this is like 2-in-1. You can see the number and you can see the chart also. Here in this data we can apply color scales like higher to lower or lower to higher. So the highest numbers are green, the lowest numbers are small. And sometimes, just in case you want it the other way, you can also choose lowest to highest, or you can change it to, like in this case, the highest number is red and the smallest number is green. So any of these can be easily done. And the final feature is really amazing here is the icon sets. The biggest numbers will be in green and the arrow going up, the smaller numbers will be in red, arrow going down, the middle numbers are yellow going sideways. So this is also a visual technique that helps you quickly check what's going up and what's going down, and you can create useful management dashboards using these techniques. Here I will show this again to you. By applying the icon sets, you can use arrows, you can use smaller arrows which are a small triangle, hyphen and arrow going down. You can use these kind of symbols. Some of my favorite ones are the bars because they are really so easy to understand. You can easily see the smallest numbers are with just one bar or no bar, and the highest numbers will be the highest bars. So any one of these techniques you can use. Some are better than others. The traffic lights, they take up a lot of space, and while printed they don't look as great. Similarly, I avoid the half moon, crescent moon, because sometimes people get confused whether to look at the 1/4 side or the 3/4 side. So it's better to use this type of controls which are very simple and easy to understand. These are all the techniques that are available out of the box in any version of Excel, from Excel 2007, 10, 2013, 2016, 2019, or if you have the latest Office 365, which is the Microsoft's latest and greatest software which updates all the time. I hope you found the video useful. Do like and subscribe. Guys, this is Vinai Prakash from Excel Champ signing off. Thanks for watching.